Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Facebook password. First, open your Facebook app. From here, go to Menu on the top right and then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, go to Settings. Once you're here, tap on Password and Security. Now, get out of Facebook and then open your Gmail app. Once you're here, tap on Account on the top right. After that, tap on Manage your Google account. Once you're here, scroll through the options on the top. Then, tap on Security. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Password Manager. Now, tap on Password Manager. You will get to see all your saved passwords here. Just tap on Facebook. Now your password will be shown here. Just tap on the eye icon and go on with the process. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.